Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate source for in-depth product reviews. Today, we've got something special for all you woodworking enthusiasts out there. The DEWALT DWE6421K Orbital Sander Kit. This is hands down one of the best orbital sanders available in the market, and in this video, we'll tell you exactly why. The DEWALT DWE6421K is not just your ordinary sander. It's a woodworking game-changer. Let's dive right in and explore what makes this sander so remarkable. First up, power and performance. The heart of this sander is a robust 3.0 amp motor that spins the sanding pad at a staggering 12,000 orbits per minute. That's right, 12,000. This means you can tackle even the toughest sanding jobs with ease and efficiency. Whether you're sanding down old varnish, smoothing rough wood, or preparing surfaces for a flawless finish, the DEWALT DWE6421K's power will leave you amazed. Now, let's talk about comfort and ergonomics. One of the standout features of this sander is its shorter height, which allows you to get closer to your workpiece. This is especially handy when you need precise control during sanding. The sander's design and rubber over mold grip provide exceptional comfort during prolonged use. You won't experience the fatigue that often comes with extended sanding sessions. Dust can be a real nuisance during woodworking, right? Well, DEWALT has you covered. The DWE6421K features improved dust collection with a one-handed locking dust bag. No more dust clouds or messy cleanup. The dust-sealed switch ensures a longer switch life, and the dust port is designed to fit directly to DEWALT's dust collectors for optimal performance. You can also use it with other vacuum systems using the DWV9000 Universal Quick Connector. Now, let's talk versatility. DEWALT knows that different projects require different grids, so they've made it easy to switch sandpaper discs. The hook and loop pad system ensures quick and secure attachment. Plus, DEWALT offers a range of compatible accessories, like sanding discs, to enhance your woodworking experience even further. So there you have it, folks. The DEWALT DWE6421K Orbital Sander Kit, an absolute powerhouse that delivers on power, comfort, dust collection, and versatility. If you're serious about woodworking and want to take your projects to the next level, this is the tool you need in your workshop. Thank you for joining us on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss another in-depth review. Until next time, keep crafting those masterpieces with the best tools at your side.